What I'm using is Harrison's bird food. And I have a baby that is approximately 4 weeks old. She's under doctor's care. And she's on hand feeding. When I got her, I had no idea how to hand feed. I'm still working through it. So I thought the least I could do was show people what has worked for me. If you'll see, I've got just about a teaspoon of Harrison's bird food. And I'm taping this myself, so this will, this is probably not going to be the clearest video, but I think the most important part is that you see what I'm doing. I've boiled this water to where it is really hot, because what I have found is that if the formula is not warm, then the baby won't eat it, or she won't eat as much as she should. So what I do is I add the hot water to the formula and then stir it to where it's almost like a pudding consistency. Now here's the other thing. You might think that this is going to stay warm, but it is such a small amount that you really need to have another container of water to keep it warm. Now, I like to wait until the baby is good and hungry to make sure that the feeding goes well. This is Lucy. And on the next video, you're going to watch how I feed her.